Hi, I'm Båtemyr, Customer Fulfilment Manager in Australia. We have a clear vision for people in customer fulfillment where CFF attracts and develops talented people. We have so many opportunities for co-workers to have different roles and development paths. It's so much more than moving boxes. We're committed to equality and believe in fostering a diverse and inclusive workforce. That means we're focusing on having more women in predominantly male teams, as well as having more men in predominantly female teams. And we're on the way to achieving a 50-50 balance in all teams and functions by 2023.
Hi, my name is Riikka Dunn and I'm the Central Fulfilment Unit Manager here in Marsden Park. I'm overall responsible for the 290 co-workers who work here in our unit. We deliver goods to our IKEA Australia stores and fulfill the many orders of our online customers from our CDC. There's never 2 days that are exactly the same. So it's a busy operational environment and we need a lot of agility and we have fun when we work together. We had a lot of different roles in CFS. We have co-worker roles, picking, packing, driving a forklift. We have specialist roles looking at forecasting, capacity planning, planning in and out from this unit. And we have leadership roles where you lead large teams in operations. So there's a lot to choose from. We're really proud that we're working towards becoming a gender-balanced team. We are a team that have lots of different nationalities, different backgrounds, different skill sets, people from IKEA and from outside IKEA. So be curious and try and learn more about how you could contribute to CFF.
My name is Betty. I am a warehouse co-worker at DC Marsden Park. After being here for 6 months, I ended up loving the place. It was actually something I was very passionate about. I wasn't sure if I was able to drive a forklift or would I pick it up quickly, so I ended up just going for it and I got it. Something I was being introduced to was planning, mapping, recovery, inventory, loading, unloading. Loading is probably the best part of it. Every day it's always a challenge. You're always thinking, which is good, which is what you want. When you come to work, you're still learning and growing. Anyone can do it. You can work, you're on the floor, you can drive trucks, you can do absolutely any, even inventory. I think the misconception is people think that warehouse is a male-dominant place. Unloading trucks and, driving a forklift. There is no limit to age, your gender, your race. We have lots of females here. We're a diverse place here.
Matt Bennett, I'm 29 years old and I work in the DC CDC at Sydney. I think it'd be great to have more women in the warehouse. I think we're on a journey there. I'd say the future of warehousing is not like how it used to be, so people from anywhere can work here. And it just creates different ways of thinking and working, I think, so no, it's good. Especially if you've worked in retail for a while, I'd give it a go for sure. If you're on the fence, if you think you've got no experience in warehousing, I wouldn't worry about that whatsoever.
We're committed to equality and believe in fostering a diverse and inclusive workforce, as everyone has the right to be treated fairly and to be given equal opportunities. As an organization, we're striving to address these stereotypes within both our business, but then also within the broader industry. We want to be in the forefront, and we will lead the way.